World Book Day. We've had some wonderful images and videos of some of the things that have been marking the event, including, of course, the chance to dress up, read books and step into the wonderful world of fiction. In Castleford, pupils were told a tiger was coming to tea, and Heidi Thompson went along as well.
It's not every day that a tiger comes to school. But when you live in Castleford and the whole town is rugby league mad, then a Cas tiger is kind of normal.
Tigers go.
The popular mascot was promoting reading on World Book Day. He was the tiger who came to tea.
So this story is about a friendly tiger who knocks on the door of a little girl. He sits and has tea with her and her mummy. He eats all the sandwiches, all the cakes, drinks all the tea in the pot, all the water in the tap and all of Daddy's beer. So much so that when he gets home, they have to go out for something to eat.
It's been a favourite book for 50 years.
I like where he eats all the food because it shows that he's greedy and he's funny.
The theory is that bringing a story to life encourages children to pick up books, and it worked a treat today.
This tiger looks scary. No, I think it looks cute.
We're here just to, come in and help and support the kids with the reading, which is a massive life skill. The older you get, and some part of everyday life, and if we can encourage them and make them be proud to read and excited to read, that's what we're here for.
Due to the pandemic, it's been really difficult to get kids into reading again, and it's just having that book in front of them and being able to open that book and get lost in that story that obviously we're really trying to promote here.
Lots of you have been celebrating the 25th World Book Day. Very Hungry Alfie from Leeds went as the Very Hungry Caterpillar. Hebden Bridge author Harry Heap has been visiting children in West Yorkshire and reading to them aboard the story bus. And there were pirates, Willy Wonkas and Harry Potters at St John the Evangelist in Bradford. And while it's fun to dress up, it can be expensive. So at Thirsk Community Primary, they're wrapping up books and hiding them around town for others to find as a nice surprise.
Our children are going to gift a book each to somebody else in the community by hiding it. They are writing their own reviews, handwritten reviews, to go in these packets, not of the book that's in there, but of a book that's similar, to inspire the finders next read.
Back in Castleford, and the tigers still eating, and the children are still reading.
And he drank all the milk and all the orange juice.
Heidi Tomlinson, BBC Look North.